Sleeping is one of the essential things that everyone should be doing each day. Our sleeping experience can either make or break our next day. In this video, I will explain several techniques that you can do on your own to help you get a good night's sleep. Listen to all methods to try whichever will work well for you. 1. Analyze your physique. It may seem like a medical-grade procedure, but a body scan is essentially a simple relaxation method you may use before going to bed to help you sleep better. It is possible to do a self-check by focusing attention and purpose on different parts of your body, which is known as a body scan. It is similar to the military approach in that each part of the body is focused upon individually until you are relaxed in that area. In contrast, you progress at a very relatively slow rate with a body scan, which takes 10 to 20 minutes to reach your toes. 2. Using your imagination is a great way to improve your visualization skills. Before going to bed, try to relax your body and mind by using imagery as a mental workout. Visualize a joyful and calm memory from your memory, and draw it in your mind, paying attention to the tiniest details. This exercise will activate your brain and help you relax by opening your mind to your selected picture. When you cannot fall asleep, it may not be delightful and have repercussions for the following day. It is helpful to train to sleep quicker by following some basic natural methods and techniques. Taking sleep-inducing drugs may help those having trouble winding down and getting to sleep. However, long-term use of these drugs is not desirable. Specific natural ways, such as maintaining a regular nighttime routine, avoiding electronics before sleep, reading before bed, taking light exercise throughout the day, and adopting certain mindfulness practices may assist. To discover what works best for you, spend some time experimenting with these various approaches. 3. Before bedtime, refrain from consuming caffeine. Even though caffeine is a proven solution to stay awake in the morning, it may also keep you awake at night. So, how far in ahead should you forego your regular pot of coffee before going to bed? Caffeine has been demonstrated to affect sleep quality up to 7 hours before bedtime. So if you usually go to bed around 9 p.m., you should finish your last cup by 2 p.m. Drinking relaxing tea or jasmine tea before bedtime can fulfill your hunger without affecting sleep. 4. Create a sleep routine. Developing a regular nighttime ritual will assist you in synchronizing your biological clock and preparing for sleep. There is no right or wrong way to get ready for bed. What is essential is that you find something that works for you and that you follow it every night. Make sure your nighttime routine is based on what works for you regarding self-care. Although there is not one universal nighttime routine, your body will appreciate it if you adhere to it. 5. Take melatonin towards the end of the day. It is known as the sleep hormone. The body generates it to induce tiredness and sleep in accordance with the biological clock. Taking it as a supplement may help people sleep better. 6. Use a glow light to dim the lights. The state your body should be in is communicated to you via the use of light. In addition to blue light, yellow-toned light may assist your body know it is time to rest. You may assist your body to relax into a stay-in-bed condition by using a fading light, such as a glow light. After supper, gradually lower your lights until you are ready to go to your slumbering hideaway in the dark. 7. Listen to music. Some individuals find it helpful to listen to calming music before heading to bed, even though that is not true for everyone. People's reactions to music are very individual. Music may be exceptionally energizing at times, resulting in restlessness and anxiety. 8. Put on your socks. You may be having a hard time falling asleep because you are experiencing a chill in your limbs. Research has revealed that your blood vessels contract when your feet are chilly, allowing less blood to flow and sending messages to your brain to remain alert. The dilation of the veins and arteries in your foot sends information to the brain that it is time to get some rest. 9. Take a relaxing soak in a hot tub. Taking a long bath in warm water at the end of the day is a well-known treatment for fatigue. A warm bath or shower might help you fall asleep 40% quicker than a cold one. If you are worried you will stay up all night counting sheep, take a long bath in the bathtub instead. Even during the summer heat, soaking in a warm bath or shower might help you sleep better. 10. Get outside and get some fresh air. If you are restless at night, try going for a stroll. Refreshing your head by leaving your bed for a few moments in the evening may help you obtain a good night's sleep instead of snoozing away the hours. Try doing a fast reset after 15 minutes if you have trouble falling asleep. It is best if you limit your evening walk to 5 to 10 minutes and avoid doing anything startling, such as turning on the lights or making a loud noise. 11. Keep the temperature at a low level. Ever felt as if you are wasting the whole of your sleep cycle, flipping back and forth between the warm and chilly side of your pillow? The opposite of what you may expect is that sleeping in a warm room can help you get a good night's sleep and relax. 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit is the best temperature for sleeping. It may be uncomfortable during the daytime, but your body temperature decreases at night as a signal that it is time to go to bed. So a colder atmosphere is ideal for more fantastic rest. 12. Avoid snoozing throughout the day. Nappies that last more than 2 hours throughout the day might also mess with your circadian cycle. According to a single investigation for more than 3 times a week, science has discovered that university students who slept longer than 2 hours each time had worse sleep quality than their counterparts who didn't. It is easy to be sucked into a lengthy snooze after a restless night's sleep. To prevent a disrupted sleep cycle, strive to avoid this at all costs. 13. Pick up a good book and read it. Reading books may be calming and prevent worrying thoughts from interfering with a person's ability to fall asleep. Stay away from the literature that could elicit intense emotional reactions to be safe. 14. Counting. One tried and true approach to lulling yourself to sleep is carefully counting down from 100. Boredom and a distraction from anxious thoughts may be the reasons why this works. 15. Changing your dietary habits. People's sleep might be affected by what they eat, especially in the evening. A person's ability to sleep may be hindered if they consume a substantial meal within an hour of heading to bed. 16. Attempt to remain awake. Trying to remain awake to go to sleep is an unusual tactic. Attempting to stay awake may seem paradoxical, but it might help alleviate some of the effort to sleep. Shifting your attention off of the activity at hand might help you fall asleep since sleeping is an automatic process. 17. Turn off all electronic devices. Nowadays, it is almost a given that people check their email or browse the web before going to bed. The duration of your sleep might be harmed if you stare at a screen just before you go to bed. Even while blue light from many gadgets might help you wake up in the morning and get ready for coffee, it can be detrimental to your sleep if you attempt to use it just before bed. Before going to bed, if you cannot leave your gadgets alone for an hour, try turning them off. To help you wind down before bed, try listening to soothing music, a relaxing podcast, or an audiobook. Many people are debating whether or not mobile phone usage at night impacts one's ability to sleep. Study participants who used their phones excessively, such as those addicted to texting, reported worse sleep quality. In terms of how long they slept, there was no difference. Because most recent studies have focused on students and young adults, it is not apparent whether or not the results apply to persons of various ages. Problematic phone usage is another common research topic. These people may be less sensitive to sleep problems if they do not use their phones in this manner. Usually, a minimum of 2-3 hours are needed to digest a meal. Some individuals experience nausea or pain while lying down at this time, and lying down may also impede the digestion process. After a meal, it is recommended to wait until the body has had time to digest before sleeping. It might take anything from a few minutes to many hours, depending on the individual. 18. take a seat in a position that feels comfortable. To have a good night's rest, you need to choose a sleeping posture that is convenient for you. Changing positions often might be disruptive, but finding the correct location can make a significant difference in the start of sleep. Most individuals prefer to sleep on their side for a good night's rest. 19. Get some physical activity throughout the day. Physical activity improves sleep quality. Exercise regimens using relatively high speed were shown to enhance sleep quality. In addition, the research revealed that individuals use their sleep medicine less often when engaging in a physical activity regimen. It is conclusive evidence that exercising at various times of day affects sleep patterns. Getting started with a new workout regimen should not be too complicated. 20. Try a few breathing techniques. Breathing techniques are a well-known means of unwinding and relieving stress. Deep breathing or precise breathing patterns might help individuals relax and take their minds off their worries. If you are having trouble falling asleep, this could be just the thing you need to help you do so. The 4-7-8 breathing pattern is a typical one. The steps required are breathing in for 4 seconds, holding it for 7, and then expelling for 8 seconds. This deep, repetitive breathing style is calming and may help you sleep. 21. Avoid excessive alcohol drinking. The quality of your sleep may be harmed if you drink too much alcohol just before bed. Alcohol is an issue because it may create unrest and discomfort, which can delay the process of sleep. Getting a good night's sleep has many benefits. It can help boost your immune system, increase your productivity for the next day, and even improve your memory. Being mindful of restful sleep is essential to prepare for the coming days. If you enjoy watching this video, consider looking at my other videos to help you transform yourself to become better. Thank you.